Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to create a connection to the AdventureWorks DW database. Click on the tab on the bottom here for Tabular Model Explorer. Inside the Tabular Model Explorer, right-click on the Data Sources folder and select Import from Data Source. Under the Get Data option, select Database. Select the option for SQL Server Database. Make sure that option is selected and then click on the Connect button. In the server name, type in the name of your SQL Server. So I've entered the name of my SQL Server, and then if you want, you can add the name of the database. I've added the name of my database, which is the AdventureWorks DW 2019, and then click on the OK button. Inside the impersonation information page, you will need to specify the credentials for the analysis services to use in order to connect to the data source. I've entered the credentials to connect. I'm going to click on the Connect button. After clicking on the Connect button, you may get this encryption support message because it's trying to connect to the data source using an encrypted connection. So to access the data source using an unencrypted connection, just click OK. You are presented with the navigator window. The navigator window basically gives you a preview of the data source you have connected to. So if you want to view any of the tables in the database you've connected to, you can just click on the name of the table and you can see a preview of the data contained in that table. So from the navigator window, you can transform the data before you load the data. I'm going to cancel out of this and exit the navigator window. We now have a data source, which is this here. Is the database called AdventureWorks. So we're going to be working with some tables from that database. In this video, we created a connection to the AdventureWorks DW database. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.